Did you know that India's rivers flow into Pakistan? Under the 1960 Indus Waters Treaty, this vital water-sharing agreement has kept tensions at bay. But with rising conflicts, India is considering a review. While they can tap into the eastern rivers more, cutting off water completely could escalate things. What do you think? Should the treaty be renegotiated? Drop your thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more bold insights into India's geopolitics. India emoji, #water politics, #Indus Waters Treaty, #geopolitics.